So before this video gets started, if you were an Uber or Lyft driver and you want to make up to an extra $100 per month, you can now use the link below to sign up for Play Octopus and they will send you this box for free. And they're pretty much nationwide now, so you can sign up. And this is what they send you. They send you a tablet for you to put in the back of your headrest so your passengers can play games on it. Or they can just sit there and look at the ads. They don't even have to play the games. And you as a driver make extra money simply by putting this in your car for free. So if you're a driver for Uber and your Lyft, you have to get Play Octopus now. There's free money waiting for you. So use the link below to sign up. You won't regret it. Now let's get started with the video. We're talking about this Uber driver protest. Uber commuters may have a hard time finding an Uber as many drivers strike for pay raises. Can you believe that?
That's crazy.
So if you need to get a ride somewhere, if you're a passenger, sorry, not sorry, but we're not getting paid enough, so we're going on strike, baby. Gonna read this?
Can you share your screen?
Oh, you haven't even looking at the screen this whole time?
No. All right, so this is downtown Brooklyn. Commuters may have a harder time finding an Uber Monday as many drivers strike for pay raises. Oh yeah, guys, so there's been a lot of strikes and stuff happening around New York. The protest comes after Uber successfully took legal action to block a scheduled pay raise for Uber drivers.
Yeah, there was basically going to be a pay raise for drivers because of like a city law. And Uber filed a lawsuit so that they wouldn't have to pay their drivers more because they were like, well, our drivers are independent contractors, so they don't qualify.
Yeah, that's insane. Like, they really went through all the effort of filing a lawsuit just to not pay their New York drivers more.
Yeah, and you know how much money it costs them to like file all these suits and do this, take a legal action and pay the courts and do X, Y, and Z. It's like, this is not cheap things to do. They spent millions of dollars so that they didn't have to pay their drivers an extra 50 cents an hour.
Yeah, this just shows like Uber must really hate their drivers if they're willing to do all that just to block the pay raise.
Oh, I think Uber loves their drivers. I think Uber loves that they have drivers willing to work for so little. They're like, this is amazing. They're like, drivers will work for $4 an hour? All right, bet. Well, let's rake in millions and go buy our Ferraris and Porsches. Well, we got drivers out here working for pennies on the dollar.
Yeah.
Like $30 Uber ride? Let's take 25 of it and pay the driver only 5 and see if he cares. It's Christmas. You stopped a pay raise 6 days before Christmas. Oh my golly gee willikers. They stopped it right before Christmas. That is crazy, guys. Yeah, look at this. The strike actually worked, my friends. Look at this. On strike date, they got so little rides compared to this. That's funny. I know everybody's like, oh, strikes don't work. Strikes don't work. Clearly they do, bro.
No, that's that's not what the graph said.
Trips per day. The trips went down when they went on strike.
Yeah, it went down when the pandemic started.
Oh. How do you know that? You read the article?
It says April 2020.
Oh, yeah, the strike was like here. But yeah, it did go down a little bit. I was probably right here,
Yeah.
right? Oh, yeah, no, it was right. It was right around here. Yeah, it was right here.
Ago.
So it did go down a bit.
That was 1 year ago.
Oh, January. Okay, where are we at now? Guys, I'm sorry, but I did not do well in school. So I honestly never learned. Like, I think I missed that day when they went over graphs. But look at this. Actually, pretty interesting. Cab rides have consistently just gone down despite the pandemic or anything since 2015. So look at that. Uber and Lyft going up. Cabs just going straight down to the dumps.
Yeah.
Holy crap, guys. Look at that. 7,000 only cab rides a day compared to Uber's at freaking 500,000. That's a joke.
That's crazy. This is worldwide or just the US?
I don't know. I didn't really look. It's looks like it's it just maybe it's just in New York. I don't know. Again, quick shout out to our sponsor, Play Octopus. Again, if you're an Uber or Lyft driver and you want to make an extra up to $100 per month, you can use the link below and they'll send you your free tablet to put in your car, and you as a driver get to make extra money. Use the link below. Talk to you guys soon.